Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Module 3, Lesson 1. Whole number addition and subtraction is this unit. So you need to turn to page 9 in your packets and be ready to take notes. First, we're going to go over some of our academic vocabulary. The first thing is the commutative property of addition and the associative property of addition. So there's two properties when we are adding that we can always remember. So the first one is commutative property of addition formula. So anytime we add, if we do A plus B, it's the same as or equal to B plus A. So you can flip-flop those two numbers, A and B, and it will still equal the same thing. The next one is the associative property of addition and multiplication. We're going to focus just on addition right now, though. So if in parentheses, remember, whenever you have something in parentheses, you do that first. But if we do A plus B in parentheses and then plus C, it's still the same as A plus and then in parentheses B plus C. So you're just switching where the parentheses are and it still equals the same thing. So instead of A plus B in parentheses, you do B plus C, and then both sides are equal. All right, so let's take some notes together. We're on page 9 here, so it says get started. If we have 5 plus 2, this is pretty simple. We know these. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus 2, 6, 7. 8 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 would be our answer there. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers plus 2 flowers equals 6 total. And then 2 flowers plus 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers equals 6. So there is that a commutative property because we did 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 2 plus 4 is also 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6. You can flip-flop them and you'll still get the same answer. All right, let's look here. We have 1, 2, 3 fish plus 2 fish plus 1 fish equals, and then remember in parentheses, we do 3 plus 2, which is 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now notice, here's where they changed the parentheses for the commutative property, associative property, and then it's 3, and then in the parentheses is 2 plus 1. So 3, and then they did 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it still is the same thing. So down here we have 1, 2, 3 stars plus 1 star equals 4 stars. Okay, we could also have done that as 1 star plus 1, 2, 3 stars. So 1 plus 3 is the same as 4. So make sure you have these notes on your page 9. Then let's flip over to page 10. Oops, sorry about that. So on page 10 here, it says find each sum. So sum, remember, means addition. Use the commutative property of addition to write another addition fact. So we know that 6 plus 3 is 9. Well, we also know then that 3 plus 6 equals 9 because you can use that commutative property to flip those around. 3 plus 8 is 11, or flip them around for commutative, 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, down here it says to find the sum again, but now we're going to use the associative property of addition to write another addition fact. Well, we know 4 plus and then 1 plus 5 in the parentheses is 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Well, now we're going to change. Look where they put the parentheses. So now we have 4 plus 1 in parentheses plus 5. Well, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So notice we still get the same answers right there. All right, and then this last one, we have 2 plus 7 equals 3, 2 plus 7 in parentheses plus 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And then we use the associative property and change where the parentheses are. So then we have 2 plus 7 plus 3. So then we have 2, and then 7 plus 3 in parentheses is 10. 2 plus 10 is 12. So again, same answers. Okay, so let's read through this together. Add whole numbers using the commutative and associative properties of addition. So using symbols, 6 plus 1 equals 1 plus 6. Because 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 6 equals 7. They're the same thing. So the commutative property of addition, changing the order of the addends does not affect the sum. It still is the same. It does not affect it. And then the associative property here again, in parentheses, 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 3 plus 1. Same thing if you change the parentheses. So what it says over here, because when we get our answers, they're still both equal 8. Grouping the addends in any order does not affect the sum. So you can add in any order and you still get the same sum. All right, so make sure you have your notes done on 9 and 10. And then what you're going to do now is you're on your own. You're going to complete page 11 and then follow the rest of the instructions. Good luck.